So we've gone over how you can set different lengths for your delay times. For example, I got this vocal track over here, and here is a delay that is using some dotted eighth notes.
For the time I moved on.
So you get that typical echo delay effect. But if you go for shorter delay times, you can get some very interesting results. For example, I'm going to take this delay time and drop it down to 30-second notes. And I'm just going to drop the feedback and the dry wet, and then I'll increase this feedback while I play back.
For the time I moved on.
I'll bypass it.
Say that, but I feel. Don't you know the pain inside?
So when you use shorter delay times, you sort of get into reverb territory. So you can use the delay as a sort of space effect. It's giving a sense of space to the audio part. And in this example, I'm giving this dry vocal a sense of space without using reverb. Now let's take this and jump it up to 16th notes and hear what happens there.
For the time I moved on.
Bypass it.
Say that, but I feel. Don't you know the pain inside?
Now, what's really interesting about 16th notes is you get that sort of stadium sound reverb effect. Down here in 32nd notes, you're more in the sort of slapback delay territory. So slapback is around about from 40 to 80 milliseconds, give or take about that time. So here we've got a slapback delay.
For the time.
And you can hear it when I stop, and you can sort of hear the trail. There's a very short tail with this one.
For the time.
Now, if I chuck it up to 16th notes, we're going out of that sort of slapback delay territory and more of the sort of stadium style reverb effect using a delay.
For the time.
So that works great on vocals. I'd say the shorter 32nd note can work really well on individual instruments like guitars or vocals, where if you're going into the 16th note, let's maybe try this on the whole music bus and hear how it sounds like if we're trying to emulate a band that's sounding like they're in a bigger room without using reverb. So I'm going to bypass it on the vocals over here and actually just mute the vocals. So on this bus track over here is just my music. On this music track, let's add an instance of a delay. For this delay, I want to set the delay time to 16th notes. And I want to pull down this feedback and also just pull down the dry wet. Now I'll play back. Adjust the feedback. Bypass it. By dry, and then with the delay. Now let's just play it back again and just slightly tweak this filter. Maybe cut a bit more of the highs out. Before, very dry, and now with the delay. So that's how to take delays and use them as opposed to being a delay as a sort of spacey reverb effect. And you get that by using shorter delay times.